Hi, Assalamualaikum and very good morning. My name is Nuralisa Balkis Betty Zulkifli and my metric number is P0621102242. Today, we're going to present to you about Louis Vuitton. Louis Vuitton, a part of LVMH, is the most valuable luxury brand in the world. In 1854, Louis Vuitton founded the Louis Vuitton label on Rue Neuve des Capucines in Paris, France. When Louis Vuitton noticed that the HJ cave oscillate but could be easily stacked, so he designed his Triton luggage in 1858, made of canvas with a housing bottom which was lightweight and waterproof. During this time, Louis Vuitton began making most of items out of leather, from small purse and wallet to luggage tickets. By 1989, Louis Vuitton had 130 retail stores worldwide. In 1997, Marc Jacobs was appointed artistic director of Louis Vuitton. In 2005, Louis Vuitton reopened its store on the Camps Island in Paris, designed by American architect Eric Carles, and introduced the Speedy line of watch. In 2006, at Space, Louis Vuitton opened on the 7th floor of Louis Vuitton. In 2008, Louis Vuitton created the Dame Graphic Canvas. This case study deals with the opportunities and challenges of Louis Vuitton, the leading European luxury sector multinational firm in Japan, taking into account the unique feature of brand management and integrated culture and consumer behavior in Japan. Facing a weak economy and a shift in consumer preference, Louis Vuitton has been adapting its unique strategy in Japanese market. Louis Vuitton in Japan case study is Harvard Business Study. The Louis Vuitton in Japan case study provides evaluation and decision scenario in field of innovation and entrepreneurship. The bargaining power of buyer of Louis Vuitton. If the buyer have strong bargaining power, then they usually tend to drive price down, thus limiting the potential of Louis Vuitton to earn sustainable profit. Step 1. Define relevant industry of Louis Vuitton in case study. Step 2. Identify the competitors and group them based on segment within the industry. By doing industry analysis using Porter 5 Force, Louis Vuitton in Japan can develop 4 generic competitive strategy. In cost leadership, Louis Vuitton in Japan can set out to become the low-cost producer in its industry. To pursuing cost leadership strategy, Louis Vuitton can assess and other factors. Louis Vuitton can select one and more attributes that can uniquely position in the eye of customer for a specific needs. Louis Vuitton can select segment or group of segment and tailor its strategy to only serve it. In cost focus, a Louis Vuitton in Japan can seek a cost advantage in its courses. It is chooses segment in category. Differentiating strategy, Louis Vuitton in Japan can differentiate itself in a target segment in its industry. Both variants of the focus strategy on differently between Louis Vuitton in Japan target segment and other segment in the industry. Blockchain technology is a database that may be found on numerous computers in a system at the same time. If you understand what blockchain is, you undoubtedly understand how it might benefit organizations in a variety of ways. This is primarily why big corporations and worldwide brands are contemplating shifting the blockchain app development. To maintain security, blockchain technology employs cryptography. It also contributes to security by requiring robust and authentication method to access the blockchain, which cannot be readily hacked. Blockchain enables transparency, since data can be examined by anyone. Because multiple protocols are used to film to entire of a specific transaction into blockchain by different users, the risk of double entries and fraud can decrease because blockchain technology has block verification mechanism. It aids in the battle against counterfeiting. Blockchain technology improvises supply chain tracking by connecting blocks that contain relevant information reliable system. Blockchain technology is the addition to providing a dependable system of data entry and maintenance. It provides dependable payment system for clients. Strategy for sustainable development aside for that has previously been said that Vuitton is focusing on green supply chain and green marketing strategy in order to answer the newest eco-friendly fashion trend. In this context, Vuitton should prioritize reducing pollution at every stage of the supply chain, such as reducing paper consumption thought to supply chain, reducing reliance on fuel-feed transportation system, and reducing the use of non-recyclable hazardous materials throughout the manufacturing process, among other things. Vuitton have effectively integrated transportation and logistic companies. In 2011, the Paris-based fashion conglomerate established strict criteria for selecting its international value chain partner, such as contract the previous activity in terms of environment sustainable, the type of logistics cycle used, the contract carbon footprint and transport flow reduction, and so on. By implementing the sustainable development strategy, Vuitton will be able to lower the cost of maintaining its value chain even further by removing superfluous operation. Because Vuitton is a fashion brand, it is critical that the company provide fashionable things that fulfill client demand. That's all for me about Louis Vuitton. Thank you.